Savoring the Flavor. Understanding Succulent Lamb Shank. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the beauty and intricacies of the English language. Today, we're diving into a deliciously descriptive phrase that's bound to make your mouth water. Succulent lamb shank. Whether you're a food lover, an English learner, or both, understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your appreciation for culinary expressions. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind these words. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, succulent lamb shank, into its components to understand its full flavor. Succulent. This adjective is used to describe food, especially meat, that is juicy, tender, and tasty. It's often associated with dishes that make your mouth water, indicating a high level of moisture and flavor. Lamb. Lamb refers to the meat from a young sheep. It's a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, known for its soft texture and distinctive flavor. Lamb is celebrated in various dishes, from roasts to stews. Shank. The shank is a specific part of the animal's leg. In culinary terms, the lamb shank includes part of the leg bone along with the meat surrounding it. It's known for being a tougher cut of meat that becomes incredibly tender and flavorful when cooked slowly. Now that we understand the components, let's explore why succulent lamb shank stands out as a particularly special and appetizing phrase. A feast for the senses. The word succulent immediately evokes a sensory experience, promising a dish that's rich in flavor and pleasant in texture. It's not just about taste, it's about an experience that engages all your senses. Cultural significance. Lamb shank is a dish with deep roots in many cultures, often served during special occasions and celebrations. Learning about dishes like succulent lamb shank can offer a glimpse into the culinary traditions and practices of different cultures. Cooking technique. The cooking method for lamb shank, typically slow cooking, is crucial for transforming a tough cut of meat into a melt-in-your-mouth delicacy. This highlights the importance of patience and technique in creating a masterpiece. Incorporating phrases like succulent lamb shank into your English conversations can enrich your language, making it more vivid and expressive. Describing food. Use it as a benchmark for describing other dishes. Comparing foods to a succulent lamb shank can convey a high standard of taste and quality. Expanding vocabulary. Exploring culinary terms allows you to discover new adjectives like succulent, which can be applied in various contexts beyond food. Cultural exchange. Discussing foods and their preparation methods can be a fantastic way to learn about and share cultural identities and traditions. We hope you've enjoyed delving into the delightful phrase, succulent lamb shank, and that you're now equipped to savor not just the dish but the richness of English culinary vocabulary. Remember, every word and phrase you learn opens up a new world of expressions and experiences. Happy learning, and may your language journey be as flavorful as a succulent lamb shank. See you in our next video.